Another Asian persuasion. Looks like she's pissed. Why Asian always looks so unhappy? They always want more. It's never enough. Somebody got a ticket. Red envelope. Never good. Most of the businesses here are Asian. It's probably 95% Asian restaurants. Very few Latino. Brazilian. Yeah, they are towing cars. If you are parked in the wrong place, big mistake. You also have to pay for towing and for a ticket. Go ahead. Yeah, the city of Boston is a nasty place. Spent $1 billion last few years on illegal immigrants, and now they are giving us tickets to pay for the gap deficit in the budget. Yeah, we have a socialist mayor from China, who's probably a Chinese agent, pretending to be an American citizen. You see, organized to end capitalism. Probably George Soros or people like him pay for this kind of organizations. Maybe even like behind the door is paid by the Chinese government. They have so many agents here, you don't even know who is who. It's getting more difficult to walk now. Maybe I should cross. There's two buses, 66, one after the other. It's ridiculous. You have to wait for half an hour or more, and then two buses come at the same time. They cannot justify this with like heavy traffic. There's not much traffic today at all. Yeah, many businesses probably have very little foot traffic. That's the gym, White Crow. That's the gym that the Boston Bombers used to go to. In the basement. They would practice martial arts. What they offer: boxing, jiu-jitsu, Muay Thai, wrestling, and and judo. First class is free. White trash smoking here. She knows it's not illegal to smoke in a bus stop, but people here don't care. What I noticed after living in this country for 28 years is that people in this country are extremely entitled on every level, any type of behavior. They feel entitled to come here illegally and plunder this country. They think that they are smarter than everybody else without any evidence. Even when you drive and you see somebody on a crosswalk, they will not accelerate, they will just walk actually slower. They won't change the pace. In Poland, people would walk faster so that you don't have to wait. It's fun. As a land of entitlement, my eyes at least. I might be wrong, but that's my impression. Only very few people have proper boots for this weather. Very few. This guy got rear-ended by someone. Yeah, many cars have a Florida license plate. And the reason for that is that many people actually live double life. They live in Boston during the warm months, and during the winter they move to Florida. They own a condo or house there, and life is cheaper, and they can skip the winter, Bostonian winter. The sky is so blue today. Such a big difference, change from yesterday. Yesterday the storm ended around 9 p.m. This is a free veterinarian. Usually people who are on low income, they come here. If your income is higher, then you have to pay, but if it's low, then you can come here for free. If you are illegally here, well, then you officially don't exist. You can also probably get it for free. They don't want the animals to suffer. See a river flowing again. It's a good workout. You get strong muscles after doing this. Nice. Good job, guys. Thank you for breaking the ice. It will make our life safer.
Yeah, that's not
the same team?
Nah,
Oh,
but
different team.
different.
Oh, you know each other.
We're neighbors, so.
Yeah, how this was the last storm? Yeah, this winter at least.
Yeah, and this is how we see the road black.
But how
I
can
remember
you?
last time in the morning it was like all white.
But you can get to the bus actually, because this is the bus stop, right?
Yeah.
Off
Out
there.
there.
Oh, no, off there. Okay.
Yeah.
They made it probably accessible. I'll see you, bro, later.
You may want to walk out a bit when you see the bus.
Oh yeah.
I saw sometimes they just pass by. They thought
Yeah,
nobody
don't
see
even
it.
stop. Okay, so this is like access to the, but somebody blocked it. You can imagine life in the winter here. Guys, thank you for watching my video. I'll talk to you later.